Today is a very exciting day.
It's not true.
So I've just been pulling out tacks out of the floors for the last hour or so, and I think I've had enough for one night. Yeah, I think it's time to call it a day, get some dinner, and just relax and come back and hit it again tomorrow. Only 10,000 more staples to pull out of the floor, so one staple at a time. We're done for the day, we're packing up, ready to head home. Emily was in the kitchen painting grey on all the cabinets. She got paint in her hair. Isn't she happy about it?
Yeah.
Covered in paint, so she's been painting those grey, and they're starting to look really good. We just got to do a second coat on the kitchen and the cabinetry. And Dad and I were working on the floors today, so we ripped up a whole heap of the subfloor, and we've been pulling out tacks, or I've been pulling out tacks all afternoon. I've probably done about 10,000, there's probably about 10,000 left to go.
Yeah.
And then any dodgy ones we'll have to bash in with a hammer and nail punch. So we're making great progress. All of the painting's done. And now we're working on the floors and finishing off the painting of cabinetry. And then we did it in our Bunnings trip today, we even bought some lights. So can't wait to show you guys those. Em and I are really happy with what we bought. And it wasn't on the plan, but we wanted to make the place a little bit more fancy. So we went and got some really nice light fixtures. So it's pretty exciting.
Yeah.
And we're ready for some dinner on Saturday night.
Yes.
Woo! Maybe KFC? We'll see.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Alright.
Cool. See you. Bye. What are we talking about
What did we do today?
tonight? What did you do today?
Tonight, I...
That was a terrible joke.
Word!
A current affair.
Okay, we're starting again.
No, we're not starting again.
Yeah.
We shoot live
No, we don't.
on a current affair. Ask the other joke.
Wow!
Tracy Grimshaw.
Tonight, I don't know what time it is, but we came to the house just after work, and I finished off the second coat of the kitchen cabinets.
Woo! They're looking really good.
We have a little bit of paint left, so I'll probably do a second coat inside the wall
The inset.
with the glass. So I'll do a second coat on the weekend when we have more light. It's a lot easier
Yeah.
in dark enclosed space with daylight.
The two-tone in the kitchen's turned up really nicely though. Like it's looking really good.
Yeah.
And I think the second coat just gives it. First coat you can kind of see a little bit of colour coming through, but the second coat just really, has that finishing touch.
Yeah, and
which is awesome.
the colour when you put it on is quite light, but when it dries it's perfect. So with the second coat on it, it'll look even closer to what we thought it would.
Yeah.
So.
And I've just been losing my mind pulling out tacks out of the floor for the last 3 hours.
Literally losing his mind.
A little bit. I thought I was going to make more progress tonight. I didn't pull up any more of the subfloor, and I've just been pulling out of tacks out of the current areas that we had started on the weekend. So I've probably done we've probably done about 10 hours on the floor so far, and there's probably 10 hours left to go, unfortunately. So we'll keep plugging away, and little by little, it's starting to look a lot nicer, but I've got to go punch in all the nail heads that I've broken so that we can sand them and not break the sander and not have people stubbing their toes on sharp pieces. So our plan of attack will be to continue on pulling out all the tacks in the subfloor this week and look towards sanding, and then doing some fit out in the bathroom as well as the kitchen, which is really exciting. The bench tops will be going in, so.
You're losing it. The tacks are getting to you.
So we will continue on with those bench tops and the fit out, and hopefully by the end of the week we'll be in a good spot. And we're probably only 2 weeks out from calling a real estate agent to A, get a valuation, and B, see if we can let the property and what price they think we'll be able to rent it out for. So touch wood, yeah, that's right. So exciting times.
Yeah, very cool.
We're going to sign off for the night, so we'll see you on another day. Bye.